Primary standard used, ammonium iron, 2, sulfate indicator used, N-phenylanthranilic acid. Principle: as an oxidant, dichromate has advantages over permanganate, but it is less powerful, its use is much more limited. It is obtainable in a state of high purity and can be used as primary standard solutions of dichromate in water are state indefinite. The half reaction for dichromate is CrO7 plus 14H plus 6E will give 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. The most important application of dichromate is in its reaction with iron, 2, in which it is often preferred to permanganate. Cr2O7-2 plus 6Fe plus 2 plus 14H plus which gives 2Cr plus 3 plus 6Fe plus 3 plus 7H2O. Preparation and standardization of 0.1 m K2Cr2O7. Weigh accurately 29.46 gm of K2Cr2O7 and dissolve in 1000 ml of water to get 0.1 N solution. To prepare 1 N, dissolve 49.03 gm of K2Cr2O7 in 1000 ml of water. Standardization: to 50 ml of 0.1 N ferrous ammonium sulfate add 20 ml H2SO4 and 1.5 ml of N-phenylanthranilic acid. Titrate the excessive iron, 2, salt with K2Cr2O7 solution until the water changes from green to restore red color. Endpoint: appearance of pink/red color. Calculation: M1V1 equals M2V2. M1 equals molarity of K2Cr2O7, V1 equals volume of K2Cr2O7 consumed, burette reading, M2 equals molarity of ammonium iron, 2, sulfate, V2 equals volume of ammonium iron, 2, sulfate.